In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use secure messaging in practice better. If you're looking for a simple, private way to stay connected with clients or groups, this built-in messenger keeps everything in one secure place, so you don't have to rely on email or external apps. Start from your Practice Better dashboard. Look toward the top right corner and click the Chat or Messages icon. This opens the secure messenger, where you'll see your conversations and a space to compose your messages. Think of it as your central hub for quick check-ins, follow-ups, or sharing resources, all within your practice platform. To begin a brand new conversation with a client, open the Contacts area inside the messenger. Choose the client you want to reach, and a one-on-one chat thread will open. This is great for appointment follow-ups, clarifying a recommendation, or sending a gentle reminder. Before you type, take a second to confirm you've selected the right client and keep your message focused and clear. A concise introduction, like following up on today's session, helps your client immediately understand the context. If you're working with multiple clients in a program or you want to communicate with a cohort, you can create a group chat using the new group chat option. Group chats help streamline announcements and keep all participants on the same page. They're especially helpful for sharing weekly prompts or resources that apply to everyone. At the outset, let participants know what the chat is for and encourage them to keep messages relevant to the group topic so the conversation stays organized and useful. When you're ready to send a message, type it in the chat box. Keep your tone warm and professional, and break longer thoughts into short paragraphs so they're easy to scan on mobile. If you need to share a document, click the attachment option to upload files like PDFs or images. This keeps important resources tied directly to the conversation where they're easy to find later. If your account supports voice notes, you can record a quick audio message. Voice notes can be a helpful time saver and convey tone clearly, which some clients appreciate. Once your message looks good, send it. You'll see it appear in the thread right away. Keeping related conversations in the same chat makes it simple to reference past messages and files. That's all you need to confidently use secure messaging in Practice Better. Open the messenger, start a one-on-one or group chat, then compose, attach, and send.